office in Khliehriat. So in morning, JNC and other few NGOs of the district came to raise their protest regarding the planned public hearing for Sri Cement. So they came in a large number and they were protesting, and somehow situation was under control from the police department and the DC office as well. But somehow they tried to storm to the DC office, but we managed the situation and we called them for a dialogue. So later on they agreed for a dialogue. So we hold one meeting with the NGOs and all those participants and the farmers as well. So in evening we had a meeting for around 1 hour. So the meeting was fruitful, and they also agreed to support, uh, to have a dialogue and to have a discussion in a peaceful manner. So we will again wait for tomorrow to have a dialogue, and we are also planning to send all the concerns raised by them to our concerned department in Shillong, so that they can take the immediate action regarding their concerns.